Hello, my name is Jordan. I'm going to be your personal service technician for today. I'm just carrying my comprehensive video health check and I'm going to start it off on the near side rear tyre. What I'm going to do with the tyres, I'm going to demonstrate the treads of all four tyres, starting with the inner edge using my calibrated tread up gauge. So you've got 4.7mm of tread left on the inner edge, 4.7 again in the centre and 4 on the outer. That is a good tyre with plenty of tread. Moving on, I have also checked the rear suspension, which is what can be seen here, which is all in good working order. I am now going to show you the offside rear tyre and once again demonstrate the treads. So you've got 5mm of tread left on the inner edge, 4.8 in the centre and 4.7 on the outer. Again, that is a good tyre with plenty of tread. Moving on, I've also checked the exhaust system, which is what can be seen here, which again is all in good working order. I'm now going to follow the exhaust down and along to the front end of the vehicle, where I currently have the oil draining. As you can see, we are now going to go over to the near side front tyre and once again demonstrate the treads. So you've got 3mm of tread left on the inner edge, 2.9 in the centre and 2.8 on the outer. Now I have put this tyre down as a red as the treads are close to the legal limit of 1.6mm and I do advise the replacement of the near side front tyre. Moving on, I've also checked all of the trap ends, drop links, CV boots and coil springs, all of which found to be okay. The same applies for all the components you can see here on the offside of the vehicle have been checked, all are okay. I'm now going to move on to the offside front tyre and once again demonstrate the treads. So you've got 3.2mm of tread left on the inner edge, 3.4 in the centre and 3.4 again on the outer. Now I've put this tyre down as an amber because the treads are low and I do advise the replacement of the offside front tyre. Moving on, I've also inspected underneath the engine compartment for any signs of any oil leaks or coolant leaks, which there isn't. As you can see, it is nice and dry underneath there. And I'm now going to move on to the tyre pressures, which I have adjusted to the Eco setting, which on this vehicle is 38 psi, and that information can be found just on the inside frame of the driver's door. But just also like to quickly mention that I do have the latest software going into the vehicle. As you can see, we've got the Service 2.0 upgrade, and that is on its way in. I'm now going to move on to the brake pads, which I've checked using this brake pad measuring tool, and your front pads are in the green, however your rear pads are in the amber. I'm now going to show your brake pads, starting with the fronts, and I'm going to tell you exactly how much pad is left on them in millimetres, sorry. And so these are the front brake pads that you can see here. These are measuring in at 7mm, which is plenty of pad. However, I have put the front brake discs down as an amber because, as you can see, we do have some corrosion there on the disc surface. Moving on to the rears. So these are the rear brake pads you can see here. Now these are measuring in at 5mm, so I have put those down as an amber as they may not last you till our next service. All depends on your driving style. At the moment, the rear brake discs are okay and can take another set of pads. I've also put the vehicle down for a brake fluid change as it is due on age. Volvo does recommend having one of those every 2 years just to prevent moisture building up in the brake lines. And that will be all for today's video health check. I've been Jordan, your personal service technician. Thank you for bringing your vehicle to Rybrook, Volvo, Preston. Have a nice day. Goodbye.